Hello, it's Stu Sensei here one more time to hit you up with today's great English phrase, which is cutting corners. Cutting corners. Now, this phrase is used to describe something that is done poorly in order to save time. And now maybe this reminds you of a co-worker at your work, someone who usually cuts corners in order to save time on their job. So you can say to that person once you see them doing it, you're doing it again, you're cutting corners, meaning they're doing something poorly in order to save time. Someone who does not cut corners is Hayao Miyazaki, the Ghibli director. Those pieces of work are masterpieces. All the films from Ghibli are fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!